The Site Modeling Edition is going to include all the tools found in the Viewer, the Field Data Edition, the Surface Modeling Edition, as well as the Survey Intermediate and Survey Advanced editions. In the Site Modeling Edition, it's really where you're going to be able to really start doing your data prep. So you're going to have tools to elevate your CAD data from the vector PDFs, basically from 2D to 3D. You're going to be able to create and apply site improvements and generate subgrade adjusted surfaces, as well as some advanced tools for site modeling, such as the variable offset or the side slope. You'll also be able to create uncompacted surfaces and models for the PCS 900 paving systems, as well as integrate in with VisionLink to bring in the data from your machines to create machine data overlays. In addition to that, you're also going to have the tools to do your CAD cleanup, so basically the project cleanup that existed in previous releases of Business Center. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Site Modeling Edition.